Welcome to the Creating the Seating Chart tool demo. First, log in to your Desire to Learn account and go into your course. On the top black navigation bar, click on the calendar icon. You can get to the seating chart on the right-hand side of the gray navigation bar. You first have to start in the Calendar tool so that you can set up your class meeting times and location. Once these have been set up, you can use the seating chart link to get to the tool. In the calendar, click on the Create Event button. In the title field, enter in the course number and section, CPT 101 I01. In the description field, enter in a description of the meeting time. Don't use specific information for a class period, or it will be shown on all of the dates when you set up the reoccurrence. I'll enter Monday, Wednesday from 1 to 3 p.m. Under When, enter the first date and time the event starts and ends. Note: be careful to enter this information only for the date of the first class. To make this show up for all the dates your class meets, click on Add Reoccurrence and set up the parameters. Pick Weekly from the drop-down menu and check the days your class meets. For reoccurrence ending, pick the last day your course meets. If this is your first time through, you add the location of the event by clicking on the Manage Locations link. This will create the drop-down list that you will use for this class. Note: creating your own location will not allow you to link to a seating chart. Some locations are already created for you to use. Click on the All button to see all of the created locations. If you need to have a location added, contact Instructional Design at d2lhelp@midlandstech.edu. Check your classrooms and then click the Set Active button and close this window. Notice the active ones have check marks next to them. The non-active ones have a circle with a dash through them. Click on the refresh icon next to Manage Locations, and your location can be chosen from the drop-down menu. Next, click the checkbox for Use Seating Chart, and then click on the Create a Chart link. In the Chart Name field, enter in the name of the course and section like you did for the calendar event. Then click on the Save button. Now click on the Edit pencil to edit the seating chart so we can place the students on the chart. Scroll to the bottom and you will see all of your students. You can add them to the seating chart by dragging and dropping them, or have them randomly added with the Assign All button. All changes are automatically saved. Click the Lock button once you're finished making changes, and then click the Close button. Then close the seating chart window. You will learn how to use the seating chart in the next video. Click the Create button when you are finished to save the event. You have now successfully created the seating chart tool.